Welcome to Review Lab. The best mechanic tool sets is probably one of the most essential investments a man can make, whether you're a seasoned professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast looking to tackle your own automotive repairs. Having the right set of tools at your disposal can mean the difference between a frustrating, time-consuming ordeal and a smooth, efficient repair job, saving you both money and valuable time. This video will guide you through the top options available, ensuring you find a comprehensive and durable set that meets all your mechanical needs. Number 5. RAK Super Universal Socket Tool. Tired of searching for the right socket? This innovative tool features 54 steel rods that instantly conform to any bolt or nut, making your work easier. It automatically adjusts to fit both standard and metric sizes, from 1 4-inch to 3 4-inch and 7 mm to 19 mm. No more switching sockets. This versatile tool is perfect for mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone who loves cool gadgets. It's a practical gift for any occasion. Made from durable chrome vanadium steel, it's rust-resistant and strong enough for heavy-duty tasks. You can rely on it for years to come. Looking for a unique gift for the man in your life? This cool gadget is practical, useful, and comes ready for gifting. They'll actually use it. What we like. This universal socket tool is designed to instantly conform to any bolt or nut. If you're tired of switching sockets for different fasteners, this is the tool for you. It's perfect for mechanics and DIYers who want a quick and versatile solution for various repair jobs. What people say. One of my favorite features is how it grips awkward parts like hook screws effortlessly. The way it adjusts to different shapes and sizes makes it incredibly versatile for small jobs around the house. It's perfect for those quick fixes where you don't want to fuss with multiple tools. Heavier than I realized, but made brilliant stocking fillers this Christmas from the kids. The dads love them, said very handy. It's versatile, sturdy, and an excellent one-only tool that can be used in a multitude of jobs. Number 4. DEWALT 142-piece Mechanics Toolkit DWMT73802. Introducing the DEWALT 142-piece Mechanics Toolkit. This comprehensive set is designed for precision and durability on any job. Experience superior performance with sockets featuring direct torque technology. This helps prevent fastener rounding for a secure grip every time. Navigate confined areas with ease. Its 72 tooth count ratchets offer a 5-degree arc swing, providing optimal control in tight spots. Designed for extended use, the anti-slip driver handle ensures maximum comfort throughout your workday. Built to withstand tough conditions, it features a durable case with metal latches and a full polish chrome finish for corrosion resistance. Find the right tool quickly and efficiently. Hand-stamped markings allow for at-a-glance identification, saving you valuable time. This extensive kit includes everything you need, from various sockets and wrenches to hex keys and specialty bits, all organized in a protective case. What we like. This comprehensive mechanics toolkit offers precision and control for a wide range of automotive tasks. If you need a robust set with all the essentials for detailed work in tight spaces, this is an excellent choice. Its durable construction and corrosion resistance make it ideal for professional mechanics and serious hobbyists. What people say. Everything is readily available, portable, the case is compact yet comprehensive. DEWALT is a trusted company, and I can tell that these tools are of a high quality. The wobbly connectors and extenders make this extremely useful with power drivers and for any hard-to-reach bolts. Number 3. Hi-Spec 67PC Metric Auto Mechanic Tool Set. Introducing a comprehensive metric tool set designed for all your automotive needs. It's perfect for routine maintenance and unexpected emergency fixes on cars, motorcycles, and RVs. Experience quicker repairs with the smooth, two-way turning ratcheting wrench. It comes with a wide range of metric sockets, all crafted from durable CRV steel for efficiency. Navigate confined engine spaces with ease. The included extension bars and universal joint allow you to access even the most difficult-to-reach areas without any hassle. Gain confident control over any repair job. Versatile hand tools like adjustable wrenches and pliers feature non-slip grips for secure and precise handling. Keep all your essential tools neatly organized and ready for action. The durable storage case makes it convenient to carry wherever you go, fitting perfectly in your trunk or under the seat. What we like. This all-in-one auto mechanic tool set is specifically curated for metric repairs on cars, motorcycles, and RVs. If you're looking for a convenient kit that covers routine maintenance and emergency fixes with a focus on metric sizes, this is a great option. Its organized case makes it perfect for keeping in your vehicle for on-the-go repairs. What people say. The socket wrench has 72 teeth for finely tuned turning. The handle is comfortable and there's negligible wobble of the socket itself. It contained both metric and standard sizing tools. Plus when I replace the car the tools will still work with whatever I get. It also came with a half dozen smaller and half dozen larger zip ties. The tire gauze also does not require batteries. Number 2. KingTool 325-piece Home Repair Tool Kit. Introducing the KingTool 325-piece Home Repair Tool Kit. This comprehensive set is designed to tackle all your home and auto repair needs with ease. It comes with a durable toolbox featuring a convenient sliding drawer, ensuring all your tools are protected, organized, and readily accessible. Crafted from high-quality steel with a heat-treated chrome finish, these tools are built for durability and corrosion resistance. The ergonomic TPR handles ensure a comfortable grip. With 325 pieces, this kit is perfect for a wide range of small repairs and DIY projects. It's an essential for homeowners, handymen, and even professionals. You'll find everything you need, including various wrenches, sockets, precision screwdrivers, a hammer, tape measure, pliers, and a variety of screwdriver bits. Easy to carry and store, this tool kit makes a fantastic gift for anyone who loves to fix things. It's an ideal present for Father's Day, Christmas, or any occasion. What we like. This extensive home repair tool kit provides a vast assortment of tools for general household and auto tasks. If you're a homeowner or DIYer who needs a comprehensive set with everything in one place, this is a fantastic choice. The included toolbox with a drawer offers superior organization and capacity for all your project needs. What people say. The socket set is very complete, with a wide range of sizes. The ratcheting mechanism is smooth and has a good amount of teeth for fine adjustments. The case is sturdy and keeps all the tools organized. Number 1. NoCry Magnetic Flexible Claw Grabber Pickup Tool. Tired of dropping small items in hard-to-reach places? Our extra-long, flexible tool is designed to retrieve anything from tight spots, even fitting down drains. Effortlessly control the retrieval process with its strong, spring-loaded claw. It's perfect for securely gripping a wide variety of metal and non-metal objects. Beyond its strong claw, it features a magnetic tip with a 5 pounds pull force. This makes picking up tricky metal objects incredibly simple and efficient. Don't let dark corners stop you. The integrated bright LED light illuminates your target, ensuring you can see exactly what you're reaching for. It comes with batteries included and is ready to go right out of the box. Cleaning is simple with water and mild detergent, just remember to keep the battery compartment dry. This versatile tool makes a fantastic gift for homeowners, mechanics, or DIY enthusiasts. It's the practical solution for countless retrieval needs. What we like. This magnetic flexible claw grabber tool is perfect for retrieving dropped items in hard-to-reach places. If you frequently find yourself needing to pick up small metal or non-metal objects from tight spots, this tool is invaluable. The added LED light and magnetic tip make it exceptionally useful for mechanics and homeowners alike. What people say. Magnet is strong and effective. Grabber is brilliant and flexible and the length is good. Highly recommended when working with small metal pieces like screws and nails. Easy to use and seems to have quality built right in. With the claw, magnet and LED light, this is a very helpful tool to have. The grip is surprisingly strong. It securely grabbed everything from small screws to larger objects without slipping. The claw mechanism feels sturdy and reliable, not flimsy like some similar tools I've tried in the past. One of my favorite features is the built-in light. It's an excellent addition that makes a huge difference when working in dark spaces like under appliances, inside drains, or behind furniture. Being able to clearly see what you're reaching for makes the whole process much easier and faster. I also love how bendable and flexible the shaft is. It easily maneuvers around corners and into awkward angles without losing its shape or strength. That flexibility really sets this grabber apart. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.